I was recently walking through my neighborhood the other day and came across a troop of Girl Scouts, and it reminded me of what it was like to be that age. They were having so much fun, they were working on a talent show, and I thought about them and I wanted to dedicate this craft to all my little Girl Scouts out there today. We're making purses of all shapes and sizes using duct tape. It's a simple craft, it's creative, and it's fun. So here's what you'll need to put this together. You'll need some duct tape sheets, you'll need some duct tape, some kitchen liner, scissors, metal glue, Velcro, and some little stones that you can add for a special detail. All right. The first thing that you're going to do is pull out your kitchen paper. Sometimes people make duct tape fabric just using duct tape. I'm going to use these duct tape sheets. They're a lot easier when doing this type of project, and I'm going to show you how to make this little guy here. The first thing you're going to do is peel away your duct tape sheet. And I really like Duct brand. They have so many different colors and designs. It's wonderful. You can find this at your local craft store. You're going to take your sheet and you're going to apply it to your kitchen paper, like so, and you'll cut it out. And voila, you have duct tape fabric. Now, a lot of people love to make duct tape fabric just using the roll of duct tape, but this is an easier way to do it for this craft. So all you're gonna do is fold this over and leave a 2-inch lip at the top for the flap to come over. And once you've done that, and you've put it down, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna cut this in half. There you go, you've got 2 little pouches. The next step you're going to do is take your duct tape and you're going to lay the duct tape on the side here. Once you have a nice clean edge, you're going to go ahead and place the duct tape down, making sure that you leave half on your actual duct tape purse and half hanging over the edge. Go ahead now and just turn that over. And you'll do the same for the other side. Okay, and once you've done that, you can either cut it with scissors or you can use a knife to get a nice clean edge down the bottom here. So that's the beginning. Obviously, now we have the pocket, but we want to add some more detail to it. We're going to put some duct tape on the outer flap. I'm going to use a utility knife to cut the excess off just because it has a nice clean edge. So there's the outer flap. Looks pretty cute. I think the girls will love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put it on the inside as well. Okay, so that is the body of the purse. Now we're just going to adorn it with a little jewel. Just going to take a little bit of metal glue. This is jewelry metal glue. Just going to let that sit there for a little bit just to harden up, and I'm going to pop on this little Velcro. This is what's going to keep that flap closed. There we go. Close it up, and that Velcro has a sticky side on both sides, helping it stay down. And then the last touch is to add the jewel. I'm gonna probably let that sit for about 5 minutes just so that it doesn't move or slide. So there you have it. It's a really easy craft, and it's something that I think we should all kind of consider if you're a parent, if you're aunt or uncle, to really connect with kids. This is a wonderful craft to do together.
Are you a crafter on the hunt for your next project? We've got tons of quick and simple ideas for you to try. Just visit athomewithdidiayer.com. You'll find tons of creative projects from my craft room, along with step-by-step tutorials, guest crafters, and 5-minute DIYs. The ideas are as endless as your imagination when you visit athomewithdidiayer.com.